Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect an Epson printer to a MacBook with USB. So first what we need is a USB cable and this adapter, because a MacBook doesn't have a USB port. So let's just connect the adapter in the MacBook like this. Connect the USB cable in the adapter. Like this. And the other side of the USB cable is already in the printer. Make sure the printer is on, and now everything is set up. So how can we print? Choose the image or document that you want. Open it. Let's take this image. Then go to the top left corner to File. Click on it. And then here, if you scroll downstairs, you see print. Now, let's type on print. What you see is here the printer is selected correctly, Epson. So let's choose print. And just like that, guys, that's how you connect the Epson printer to MacBook and print with it.